When I dissected, I woke up on a Monday morning, 5:57 a.m. I sat up in bed and I said, this is not good. I had read about dissections. I knew that about the odds.
Finding out for myself, oh, I have the same thing in me that killed my brother. At first it felt like I have a bomb inside of me or something.
I know what it was like for me, in the hospital, basically by myself getting that information, and it's a lot.
Am I gonna die next week? Do I have to watch out for stuff? Is this a permanent thing?
My primary care could not even believe it when I was diagnosed. He's just like, you don't fit the profile.
I'm a PA by training. I've worked in ERs. Unless you came in with classic symptoms, it just doesn't seem to be on people's radar.
It can be lonely, even if you have support, because nobody really truly understands as much as they want to, unless they have been through it themselves.
My son was very reluctant about things, very angry, and he went to like a really dark side.
It is such a mental thing, which I didn't understand until now.
It was a hard pill to swallow, especially that young, just not knowing anything and just one track mind of this is what I want to do and this is who I want to be, and then it's what do you do after that when it's gone?
Life is going by, you have no idea anything's wrong. Next thing you know, you wake up in a hospital 3 days later and you're told your entire aorta and arch has been replaced. And you're trying to completely make sense of it, and you need someone there to help you make sense of it.
Our stories could be different, but you get it. So I want to help. I want to be there for people.
Include the village that wants to be a part of it. Include them. Don't think you can do this alone.
I think being able to turn your negative experience, something that's so scary and traumatic and out of your control, right, into an opportunity to help others, I think is so crucial.
It's not just powerful in the sense that you feel like you're no longer alone, but it just feels like you can conquer more, and there's more hope, there's more purpose in all of that.
I want Brian's life to matter. He helped our family already. I want to help more.
You have to be empowered in yourself and have the information from yourself and the confidence in yourself to be able to say, hey, this is how I feel about my treatment. This is the knowledge that I have at the moment. Does that match with a treatment plan that works for me?
I'm really hoping the John Ritter Foundation can kind of change some of the things that are considered routine for health, preventative health, catching things before you have to get in an ambulance or air flighted to a hospital that can even handle that type of case.
Aortic disease can be treated, and the risk of a dissection or a rupture or death can be avoided if it's diagnosed early and there's competent medical interventions made quickly and available.
I'm still here. I still got a lot to look forward to. I still have a lot to work with, and now with this voice and being an advocate, there's so many people out there that I think I can help as well.
If I can just be that stepping stone for people to have the resources and be that glimmer of hope for other families going through this, then my job on this earth is done.